Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening and the dialer. Tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and another code, which is *###225#*###. And here we are in the calendar info, so we can check the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back, and another code, which is *###426###. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, mark it, and tap on the status and events. As you can see here, you've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and another code, which is *##6776#. And here we are in the technical information about the software version, so you can check the exact model, the Android version, branch, or build time. Let's go back, and another code, which is *##888#. And here we've got another technical code, so we can open the PCB number, and we can also scan this QR code to check some further details about the hardware of this device. And the last code, which is, I believe, the most useful, it is *##800#. Of course, most useful for regular users. Just give the permissions it needs, and basically this is the feedback menu, which means that if you've got some kind of problems with your device, for example with the screen, with stability, the experience, multimedia, camera, then you can record the problem and report it to the developer. So for example, I've got problems with the camera. We can choose the specific type of the problem, so for example, not focusing properly, and here you can simply tap on this, mark the screen recording, and tap on start. Then simply go back to the camera in order to record the problem, and come back to this section to stop the recording and then report it. So that's quite nice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.